I'm going to show you what size of PVC pipe you should use on your concrete plates. I got two kinds of bar. This is 1-inch galvanized pipe, schedule 40, and this one is 3/4 inch 1-inch GI pipe, and you should use 1/4 inch of PVC pipe inside the plate. So this is what it looks like. I use 1/4 inch PVC pipe on the plates, and it fits perfectly. And next is 3/4 inch GI pipe, and you should use 1-inch PVC pipe. One-inch GI pipe, schedule 40, 1/4 inch PVC pipe. 3/4 inch GI pipe, schedule 40, 1-inch PVC pipe.